Hello everyone. This is a demonstration video for the project that we did. For this project, we created this website called Resume Matcher, and it helps you find a perfect job or hire the perfect talent. For candidates who are here looking for a job, you can upload your resume, search for matching jobs, track your applications, and get personalized job recommendations. Similarly, for the companies, you can post job descriptions, find matching candidates, review their applications, and manage your hiring process. I'm going to quickly go through our backend repository, which will be in the link in the description. Make sure to go read through the README file, which is pretty detailed on how to set it up on your local device for your use. We have two separate repositories, one for backend and one for front end. For version control, we've been using GitHub Desktop. For our backend, we have used Django and REST framework. On our front end, we have used React and Vite to deploy our front end website. For our database, we've been using PostgreSQL and we've been managing it through pgadmin. And then we are also using large language model called Phi2, and I've been running the server locally through LM Studio. So this is the homepage of our website. You can click here to sign in. You can click here to register. You can register either as a job seeker or a company. Let's start with a job seeker. You fill up your details. You can add your phone number, but it's optional, so I'm gonna skip it for the demonstration. Initially, it's not gonna find you any jobs to match your profile because the system needs a resume to compare that resume to the job listings. So let's start by uploading our resume here. Our resume is uploaded successfully. Now, these are the list of jobs that the system has recommended to me. My resume has a 66% match with this job, 61% match with this job. You can see the details of the job here. You can view the job description here, and you can apply. Once you apply, the job is gonna disappear from your recommendation, obviously, but you can still view the jobs on your search jobs page where it's gonna say that you've applied for it and it's pending. And you can also view the jobs that you've applied for. Let's apply one more here on your application history page where you can see your match score and the status of your application. You can view the job description and you can withdraw. For testing purposes, let's withdraw from one of these and log out. Let us register from a company's account. So test company. And there we go. Now, since we don't have any active jobs here, it's not going to show us anything. It's going to suggest us to post a job, which we can start doing. We fill up this form. Let's say junior software developer. Company name would be, I don't know, tech. Job type can be part-time, entry level. And let's just upload a random job description here. Once it's uploaded successfully, you're gonna see the job details here. When any of the candidates apply for this job, the system's gonna update the dashboard for the company here. So we'll have the number of total applications that we have. You can choose to close a job. And once applicants start filling this up, you're gonna be able to see the details here let's test that out actually. Let me do this. Let's sign in as this is the same candidate as last time. Junior software developer. This is the one that we just created. So let us apply to that job. As you can see, it's gonna pop out in our application history page. And if we reload this page right here, we've got an applicant. We can view the resume here and we can accept or reject the applicant. So if we accept them, then on their page, it's gonna update as accepted. And once we've accepted enough people for the job, we can close the job. Satisfied. And then in our job history, we can see that the job is closed and one applicant was accepted. We use a combination of cosine similarity and the large language model similarity score and combine it together in a 30% to 70% ratio and calculate the similarity scores between the resume and job descriptions. Cosine similarity ensures that unnecessary words are filtered out, and the large language model actually helps in comparing the document's semantic meaning. So, in order to get the most accurate results, we have come up with this calculation of 30% similarity score extracted by the cosine similarity and 70% of the similarity score being extracted from the large language model. And any other information that you might need, you can find it in the GitHub repository. Obviously, there's a lot of room for improvement here. Those will be addressed in future updates. For now, this is about it. Thank you for watching the video, and yeah.